Lo and behold, for the next 3 days, Edison is taking out all of the poles in our neighborhood. This is a video showing the 17 panels that we had installed on our main house, I don't know, $18,000 ago. And I remember telling the salesperson at the time, I wanted these for a grid down situation. And what they promised me, and I found out later, they never gave us backup batteries. So then we began researching that, and lo and behold, for what Mango was offering us in portability, we bought 2 Mango power units, and one of them and 4 of those cells is currently powering this house, my shop except for the attic fan, the freezers in the garage, and oh yeah, the uninterrupted service for my rental. Mango Power, thank you, thank you, thank you. For less than the people we had talked to about the shiny Tesla batteries on the sides of our house and the various quotes, and we've had everybody parade through here. Mango not only gave us the best price, but it's stealthy and portable. We are happy as clams. And for the next 3 days, we'll have to host all of the neighbors who have problems, like our 89-year-old neighbor across the street. I'm gonna roll one of these over there and plug it into her house so she has lights and a freezer. She's all alone, and we'd really like her to have some power. I bet you couldn't do that with a Tesla battery, no matter how much you pay for it. And if it isn't this, it'll be an earthquake or something else. So, be prepared. We literally were. We're so grateful to LDS Prepper and to David, all of his help and assistance. Like I said, 17 panels of useless and 8 panels, of which 4 at the moment and 1 unit is powering my whole property, and it's gone down less than 2% all day. It was a little cloudy this morning, but we are thrilled with the system, and we paid thousands less than we would have had to pay otherwise. It's worth it, and it's just a matter of time. Blessings all. We certainly are blessed, but many others aren't, and it's coming here, so we all know this.